the executive and the event committee outside. So that it is here. Please get seated. Please get your seat executive members and the West Committee DJ PH.
2023. Woo! Make some noise, everybody! Make some noise!
Madam Makoyeba. And Makoyeba. Kevin Igbo, Makoyeba.
Yes, so people make some noise for Iri Ji 23. Amazing. What a beautiful day. Fantastic weather. Look at this hall. Beautiful. Fantastic airport. Welcome in Igbo. They open. None. Two. Absolutely.
Oh yeah, I do remember that. A warm balls of here, so fine.
Yes,
So all we hear was around my city. And all you are supposed to be all our food. Mrs. Chidinma Nwaju, Igbo, Kaini Nekunye, Agemele, Mrs. Nwaju, Igbo, please, I will stand up for the video.
Chidinma Nwaju, to lead us
on our feet, please. great in itself. It's only wonderful, it's a Igbo language. And this has been ages, culture for our Igbo people. Oji Anabata, President Irie Ji Ndigbo. People will only Oji, Oji. Thank you. For the benefit of our guests, not here, not here. I want to see you. I want to have the MC just stated, this coconut here is very prevalent, very evident in all our traditional doings, in our weddings, New Year festival as we have it today, even for something as ordinary as visiting someone. If you're not offered the golden up, it's just an evidence that you're probably not welcome in that place. Normally with the golden up, it's presented to the eldest person within, the oldest person within the community, and it travels from one village to the other, as we're going to see tonight. That said, I'd like to call on Dr. Iri Ji Ndigbo, who is evidently our elder here tonight. I know there are several other elders, but Dr. Iri happens to be our oldest Igbo person around tonight, and therefore the honor to present this scholar and to have this scholar travel from one community to the other behoves of Dr. Iri Ji Ndigbo. God.
Igbo ekele unu. Igbo pen, personal. onye si nnọọ n'ọganihu anyị adịrị ya mma ya nwụọ ka anyị gawa n'iru anyị ga-aga n'iru Chukwu ọbịbịa anyị bịa ebe a bụ n'ubi ego ka anyị bịa ego ka anyị dị ịkpata n'obodo a ife ọma ka anyị bịa iweta anyị weta ewedere ndị nọ n'ụlọ o jiri ụlọ okwu ebe o si oluo ụmụnna ya bụ ife ị na-akpataghị a ga-eru ụlọ ruo ụmụnne anyị anyị na-aga n'iru onye na-anụtabeghị nwaanyị ọ ga-anụta onye na-amụtabeghị nwa ọ ga-amụta amụtago nwa ọ ga-azụ nwa ya eto nwa tosie ọzụọ nna nwa ya tosie anyị were na-eme ọnụ na anyị zụrụ ya ọ na-eme ife anyị chọrọ ka o mee na-eme ka ụwa na-aga n'iru awere na ya Chukwu biko ife niile anyị na-achọ ọganiru onye ọra ka anyị chọrọ onye si ọma ndịle anyị mma ọma ndịle ya mma onye si na anyị ka ọ ga-egbu eburu ụzọ nwụọ anyị agabala onwe anyị biko ka anyị na-emere ka o too ogologo ife onye bụ n'uche ga-adị mma ya biko Chukwu mee ka ọ gaa etu o si chọọ n'afa Jizọs Kraịst onye nwe anyị mgbe ndị e nyere ọjị biko gwazie na ọjị were nke ntinye n'akpa
Thank you.
All these visible events.
Pick on.
They just say, "I'm going to go to the
Hey guys.
To all Igbos here present and to all our guests, I welcome you to our annual Iri Ji Festival. I start on the existing protocol to honor the traditional owners of the land on which we are hosting this event tonight. The people of Wurundjeri World. I recognize and pay my respect to the elders, past, present, and emerging. On behalf of all those in Victoria, I am happy to welcome the following dignitaries in our midst today. The High Commissioner Ambassador Anderson Madubike, unfortunately, is not able to attend this event here tonight, but he's ably represented by Mr. Lawrence Suku, Senior Counselor at the High Commission. He's flown in all the way from Canada. Thank you for coming, brother. We're also expecting Sahana Ramesh, Councillor, City of Windham. Here present is also Mrs. Abiola Kimbi, Commissioner VMC. We have Mr. Mohammed Mohidin, Commissioner VMC, who's coming all the way from Ballarat today. Thank you for coming. Dr. Remy Yusuf, President, Nigerian Society of Victoria. You're welcome. Mr. Charles Ogutade, President, Yoruba Heritage Club. Thank you for being here tonight. Mr. Peter Emmanuel, the President of the Edo Club. Thank you for coming, brother. We've also got in our midst Dr. Ayuba Isaka, the President of the Ghana Association. Welcome. President, Madam, we're not here. Ezima. Fera yaka kusa elino. Ndine mama. I've also got Mrs. Ayo Odide, the President of the Nigerian Senior Citizens Club. So, a bit short notice, and I truly appreciate your presence. I know I extended that invitation to you only yesterday, and you have made a very special effort to be here tonight. I don't take it for granted. Thank you very much and welcome.
Everybody got this what's up.
Oyemwa is the Vice President of the Nigerian Association, Canberra. You're welcome. So for the benefit of our guests of non-Igbo extraction, I consider it very expedient to highlight the significance of this Iri Ji Festival. It is an important way of marking the beginning and the end of the farming season in Igbo land. It connotes the celebration of life and accomplishments within the community. Our culture and well-being and is celebrated by all Igbos around the globe. Australia is a multicultural society. Our community is truly excited and elated for the opportunity to once again celebrate this age-long tradition of ours here in Victoria. I'd like to say a big thank you to all true sons and Igbos and daughters of Igbo extraction, including our our spouses of foreign descent, for making this event possible. Your financial support has really gone a long way to bringing this event to fruition. I'm so blown away by your commitment. I'm truly humbled by your desire to keep this tradition alive. Without you, this would never have been possible. I'm grateful for your continual support. I'm always support to my team of executives to keep this going. The Victorian Multicultural Commission has continually been financially supportive to many of our causes, and to you we say thank you. My appreciation also goes out to the IAV executives and the Iri Ji committee for working tirelessly to put this event together. Despite the numerous challenges encountered during the planning stages, together we have surmounted all issues. The outcome of your hard work and diligence is what we can see here tonight. I'd like everyone present to take this time out to please give a round of applause to these hard-working executives and the Iri Ji Planning Committee. And this is a place for me to also remind us. I know I made a speech last year, I made a presentation here last year about our commitment to owning our own property. the Igbo house, not been accomplished yet. We see the passion from a lot of our members, and I implore us to keep that dream going. And for all sons and all sons and daughters of Igbo extraction here in Victoria who are desirous of owning our own property to key into this project. It's not late yet, though we haven't actualized it at this particular moment, but the opportunity is still there for us to do it. As a community, the importance of our continued interaction cannot be overemphasized. Home is far away. IAV is the closest thing to the traditional community we have in Igbo land. I urge you to key into this IAV project, and we'll all be better for it. As we all are here to enjoy tonight, let us also not forget the fact that we need to build our capacity. And one of the ways of doing that is to ensure that we have a legacy, something we can bequeath to our children, something they can remember us for in future. They can beat their chest and say, our parents did this for us. That's where our mind is. A lot of other communities, cultural communities have done it here, and I would like us to start thinking about this seriously and finding a way of bringing this to fruition. Now, that said, I welcome you all to this great event. There's a lot to eat, a lot to drink. We've lined up a lot of entertaining activities for your event tonight. Officially opened up. I hope you all have a wonderful week.
Thank you very much, if you don't mind. All right, we are getting to the heat of the thing now. We are getting ready for entertainment.
Hello. Who could not make it here today? Let me begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the custodians of the beautiful land we are meeting today. I pay my respects to the It's a cultural festival by the Igbo people that is held at the end of the rainy season in early August to October every year, which is celebrated to thank the gods of good harvest. It is one of the major cultural festivities of the Igbo people. While similar festivals associated with the New Yam Festival are celebrated throughout an extensive area of West Africa, the festival is now synonymous is synonymous with the Igbo people. My dear compatriots, in Igbo land, yams are the first crops to be planted at the beginning of the planting season. Between April and August, other crops such as maize, cocoa, yams, and pumpkins are harvested and eaten without fanfare. The New Yam Festival is therefore a celebration depicting the prominence of yam in the social life of the Igbo people. In fact, one of the most prominent literary icons in Africa and the world, Chinua Achebe, stated that, in Things Fall Apart, that yams are the kings of all crops. In modern times, the festival does not only provide a platform to call home sons and daughters, to renew and affirm the bond of brotherhood. It also brings to mind a sense of belonging to plan for community development. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me congratulate you for using this ceremony to showcase the rich cultural heritage of our great country, Nigeria and Australia. The importance of culture for national development lies in its ability to transmit norms and values amongst people, especially the younger generation. It can serve as a medium to change negative mindsets and transform them for constructive contributions to society, among other things. By combining neoliberal development with relevant traditional cultures, countries can achieve significant benefits. The United Nations also recognizes the power of culture as a driver of development and social stability. Culture defines us. Just as we can say, the New Yam Festival portrays the Igbo culture too. As we're all aware, Nigeria is a heterogeneous nation that features ethnic, religious, linguistic, and historical differences. With over 200 million people, comprising over 300 ethnic groups and 700 dialects, Nigeria's cultural plurality demonstrates inclusion as a social cultural entity. Nigerians have learned to understand the value of cultural and religious diversity, to live harmoniously with one another. Culture is what shapes the people of Nigeria. It is our identity and it is our way of life. This diversity remains a national value and has come to stay. As we celebrate the Igbo community in Victoria today, as they work assiduously in our cultural heritage, let us also pray for our country and the new government so that they will lead us for a rebirth for new Nigeria that we will be proud of, and enjoin us all to do our bit to propagate the good image of our country through our actions. We all have a duty to live to the best of our traditions and pass on the right values to the next generation. May I also implore you to use this time to reflect on ways we can strengthen our engagements with the government of Victoria and other relevant partners to explore the untapped opportunities in Nigeria. The mission is ready to collaborate with all of you and beyond to deliver on our mandate of facilitating collaboration in various sectors of our economy. May I ask you to join hands with the High Commission to continue to develop good relations with our two countries. I am confident that with the progress made back home, success will only be a matter of time. Finally, let me express my profound appreciation to the community for this wonderful celebration. And may we have cause to celebrate more. Congratulations and thank you all.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Very much appreciated. Thank you.